Hello, everyone, and welcome to Rising Voice English.
We're happy to see you here today. This channel helps beginners learn simple and practical English.
In today's lesson, you will learn 100 common English greetings and introduction phrases.
These are phrases people use every day in real conversations.
People around the world use English to communicate with friends, coworkers, travelers, and people online.
So learning these phrases will help you communicate globally.
Please listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice speaking aloud.
Speaking practice is the key to learning English.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Just practice step by step.
All right, let's begin.
Let's start with the most common greetings.
First phrase, hello.
Hello.
Now you say it.
Great. Next phrase, hi.
Hi.
Repeat after us.
These greetings are used all over the world.
You can say hello to a friend, a coworker, a teacher, or even a new person you meet.
Now let's practice time-based greetings.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Repeat, please.
Next, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Repeat after us.
Next, good evening.
Good evening.
And finally, good night.
Good night.
Imagine you are traveling in another country.
You enter a cafe,
You can say, good morning.
and the person may say, good morning, how can I help you?
Just a simple greeting can start a conversation anywhere in the world.
Now let's learn how to introduce yourself.
Phrase 1. What is your name?
What is your name?
Example answer. My name is Emma.
And I can say, my name is Alex. Example dialogue.
Hi, Alex.
Hello, Emma. How are you?
I am great. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
That's a simple conversation you can use every day.
In many cultures, asking, how are you, is a polite way to start a conversation.
Even if you meet someone online, in business, or while traveling.
For example, hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Now let's learn how to introduce yourself.
Phrase 1. What is your name?
What is your name?
Example answer. My name is Emma.
And I can say, my name is Alex. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Imagine you meet someone at an international conference.
Or maybe in an online English class.
Hello, my name is Emma.
Hi, Emma. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Another common question is about your country.
The question is, where are you from?
Example answers. I am from the USA.
I am from Canada.
I am from India.
I am from the UK.
Hello, where are you from?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
Nice to meet you.
English connects people from many countries.
You might meet someone from Brazil, Japan, Germany, or Egypt.
Even if your native languages are different, you can communicate in English. People often ask about your job.
The question is, what do you do?
Example answers. I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I work in an office.
Hello, Emma. What do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am a student.
That's great. When meeting coworkers internationally, you may say, hello, what do you do?
I work in marketing.
Nice to meet you. Let's practice friendly conversation phrases.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Long time no see.
Yes, long time no see.
How is your day?
My day is great.
My day is busy.
Hi, Alex, long time no see.
Yes, nice to see you again.
How is your day?
My day is great. How about yours?
My day is busy. If you meet an international friend online, you might say, hi, long time no see.
Yes, how are you?
I'm doing well.
Nice to hear that. Now, let's learn how to say goodbye politely.
See you later.
See you soon.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
Have a great day.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was great talking with you.
See you later.
See you soon.
Great job today.
You just practiced 100 common English greetings and introduction phrases.
Practice these phrases every day to improve your English speaking.
English helps you connect with people around the world.
You can use these phrases when traveling, studying, working, or meeting new friends online.
Thank you for learning with Rising Voice English.
See you in the next lesson.
See you for now.